Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone and welcome back to our
podcast
podcast
in
Green
Voice.
Voice.
Today we
Today
are
we are
going to
going to
discuss
discuss
an
an
important
important
topic
topic
that
that
affects
affects
all
all
of
of
us.
us.
The
The
environment
environment
around
around
Jubung
Jubong
and the
and the
University
University
of
of
Jember.
Jember.
Environmental
Environmental
issues
issues
are
are
becoming
becoming
more
more
serious
serious
every
every
year.
year.
As
As
students
students
and
and
members
members
of
of
society,
society,
we
we
should
should
care
care
more
more
about the
about the
place
place
where
where
we
we
live
live
and
and
study.
study.
Today
Today
I am
I am
joined
joined
by
by
my
my
friend
friend
Radit,
Radit,
Nabila,
Nabila,
Reza,
Reza,
and
and
Abrar.
Abra.
Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone.
Hello.
Oke,
Before we
Before we
start,
start,
let's
let's
introduce
introduce
ourselves
ourselves
briefly.
briefly.
Hello, I am Radit. I enjoy participating in environmental activities and campaigns related to recycling and community cleanup programs.
Hi everyone, I'm Nabila. I love discussing social issues, especially environmental awareness among young people.
hello listener. I'm Reza and I'm interested in urban development and how it affects environmental quality.
Hi everyone, my name is Abrar. You can call me a boy. I am passionate about climate change education and environmental conservation.
And I am
I'm
Jackie,
Jackie,
interested
interested
in
in
environmental
environmental
sustainability
sustainability
and
and
waste
waste
management.
management.
Today we
Today
will
we will
talk
talk
about
about
the
the
environmental
environmental
conditions
condition
around
around
Jubung
Jubong
and
and
the
the
University
University
of
of
Jember,
Jember.
the
The
challenge we
challenge we
face
face
and the
and the
solution we
solution we
can
can
create
create
together.
together.
Segment
Segment
1,
1.
environmental
Environmental
conditions
condition
around
around
Jubung
Jubong
and
and
UNED.
Unes.
What do
What do
you
you
think
think
about
about
the
the
current
current
environmental
environmental
conditions
condition
around
around
Jubung
Jubong
and the
and the
University
University
of
of
Jember?
Jember?
The area around UNED is developing rapidly. New buildings, cafes, and boarding house continue to appear. Development helps the local economy, but it also creates environmental challenges such as erosion, waste, and reduced green space.
I agree. One problem that is easy to notice is littering. Plastic cups, food wrappers, and bottles can still be found around roads and public areas.
Another concern in the lack of environmental awareness. Some people still throw trash carelessly, even when trash bins are available nearby.
The traffic congestion is also becoming more common during peak hours. The roads near the campus are crowded with motorcycles and cars, which contributes to air pollution.
I've also noticed that some open green areas have been converted into parking lots or buildings. Trees are important because they absorb carbon dioxide and provide shade. Do you think students are aware of this environmental change?
Some students are aware, especially those involved in environmental organizations. However, many students still focus only on academic activities and overlook environmental issues.
That's why discussions like this are important. Awareness is the first step toward action.
Segment 2. Waste
Water management
management
problem.
problem.
Why has water
Why
become a
has waste
serious
become a
around
serious
campus?
issue around campus?
The growing number of students means more food and beverage consumption. Most takeaway products still use plastic packaging.
Plastic waste is particularly problematic because it takes a very long time to decompose naturally.
Many people understand the impact of a single piece of trash. However, when thousands of people think the same way, the result becomes a major problem.
Waste management infrastructure also need improvements. Sometimes trash bins become full quickly, especially in crowded areas.
Education
Education
play a
play a
crucial
crucial
role.
role
If
if
people
people
understand
understand
the
the
consequences
consequences
of
of
waste
waste
pollution,
pollution. They are more likely to act as responsibility. What practical solution can students implement?
Students can bring reusable tumblers and food containers instead of relying on single-use plastic.
Waste sorting should also become a habit. Organic and inorganic waste should be spared properly.
Or maybe student organization can organize recycling competition and environment campaign.
The rewards are incentivized and can encourage participation and make environmental activities more attractive.
Segment 3. Water pollution and drainage problem. Let's talk about water pollution. What conditions have you observed around Jubung?
In some locations, drainage systems are clogged by trash during heavy rainfall. This can cause flooding.
Polluted drains and rivers can become breeding grounds for mosquitoes and spread diseases.
Sometimes people dispose of household waste into waterways without realizing the long-term consequences.
Clean water is a basic necessity. Protecting water quality should be a priority for everyone.
Community cooperation is important. Residents, students, and local authorities should work together to clean drainage system regularly. What activity can students organize to help?
River cleanup programs.
Maybe community service project in nearby village.
Environmental education session for children and local residents.
Champions to reduce plastic waste before it reaches river and drainage channels.
Segment 4. Air pollution and transportation. How does transportation affect environmental quality around campus?
Vehicle emission release harmful gas into the atmosphere. The more vehicles there are, the greater the pollution.
Transportation also contributes to global warming through carbon dioxide emission.
Many students use motorcycle because they are practical, but reducing unnecessary trips could help.
Walking or cycling short distance can improve health and reduce pollution at the same time.
Universities should support environmental friendly transportation by providing bicycle lanes and safe pedestrian areas. What about carpooling?
Carpooling is a very effective solution because it reduces the number of vehicles on the road.
It also saves fuel and transportation costs.
Segment 5. Climate change awareness. Do you think students understand the impact of climate change?
Awareness is increasing, but there is still room for improvement. Some people think climate change only affects future generations, which is not true.
We can already feel the effects through hotter temperature and unpredictable weather patterns.
Floods, droughts, and extreme weather events are becoming more common in many regions.
Climate change is linked to human activities such as excessive fossil fuel use and deforestation.
Reducing emission requires collective action from individual, community, industry, and government. What small action can students take?
Save electricity whatever possible.
Maybe reduce plastic usage.
Plant trees and care for green space.
Or use reusable product and recycle whenever possible.
Segment 6, Green Campus Movement. What does a green campus mean to you?
Green campus priorities sustainability in all aspects of campus life.
It promotes efficient waste management and environmental responsibility.
It creates a healthier and more comfortable learning environment.
Technology can help reduce energy and water consumption.
Environmental education should become part of campus culture. Do you think UNED has the potential to become a greener campus?
Absolutely.
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 UNED already has many trees and green areas.
With stronger collaboration, environmental programs can become even more effective.
Policies limiting single-use plastic would be a positive step.
The regular environmental activities are important to maintain long-term progress.
Segment 7, Role of Student and Community. Why is student participation important?
Students are future leaders who can influence society through their action.
Students often bring creativity and innovation to solve environmental problems.
Community involvement is equally important because environmental challenges affect everyone.
When students and local residents work together, the impact becomes much greater.
Environmental protection requires cooperation among university, community, business, and government institutions. Can you share example of activities students can organize?
Tree planting activities.
Maybe campus cleanup programs.
Or seminar and sustainability workshop.
Environmental awareness champions on social media.
Recycling competition and eco-friendly innovation project. Segment 8, Campus, Myths, and Urban Legend. After discussing environmental issues, let's move to a lighter topic that many students like to talk about. Campus myth and urban legend. Have you ever heard any story on campus?
Of course, almost every campus has its own urban legend. The stories are usually passed down from senior student to new student.
Yes, and sometimes the stories become part of campus culture. But whether they are true or not, they are always interesting to discuss.
I have heard stories about studying late at night and experiencing strange situations, such as hearing unusual sound when the campus was completely quiet.
The many people are fascinated by mysteries because they make ordinary place feel more interesting and memorable.
Do you think the story affects students?
Sometimes they do. New students may become curious and starts asking seniors about them.
Most students treat them as entertainment rather than something to be taken seriously.
Segment 9, Studying at night on campus. Many students stay on campus until late evening for assignment or organization activity.
What is that
What is
atmosphere like?
that atmosphere like at night?
The atmosphere is very different from the time. During the day, The campus is crowded, but at night it becomes much quieter.
When the surroundings are quiet, people often become more sensitive to sound and movement around them.
That can make ordinary things seem mysterious. For example, the sound of wine, falling leaves, or animals can sometimes surprise people.
I think the quiet environment also helps students focus on studying. It feels peaceful.
So the feeling of mystery often comes from the atmosphere rather than actual evidence of anything unusual.
Exactly.
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 Segment 10, Balancing Myth and Reality. As students, how should we respond to campus myth and horror stories?
I think we should respect stories and tradition that are part of the campus culture, but we could also think critically.
Mm. Not every story should be accepted as a fact. It's important to separate entertainment from reality.
Campus life is already full of interesting experience. We don't need to exaggerate stories to enjoy them.
The most important thing is staying focused on pure studies and activities while appraising the unique culture of the campus.
That's a good point. Urban legend can be fun to discuss, but they should not create unnecessary fear.
Yeah, exactly. What makes campus memorable is not only the stories, but also the friendships, experience, and lesson we gain during our university years.
I completely agree. Every student will have their own story to tell. Whether they are about studying late at night, joining organization, participating in events, or simply spending time with friends around campus.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true.
That's true.
And with that, we have reached the end of today's discussion. Thank you everyone for sharing your thoughts and experiences.
Yes, thank you, Jackie.
Thank
Today, we
you.
learned that environmental problems of Bandung and the University of Jember include waste, pollution, traffic congestion, water quality issue, and decreasing green space. However, solutions are possible when student, community, and institutions work together. Remember, protecting the environment is not only the government responsibility, it is everyone's responsibility. Even small action such as reducing plastic use, planting trees, saving energy, and keeping our surroundings clean can create meaningful change. Thank you all listeners for joining us today. Don't forget to stay aware, spend responsibility, and continue caring to our planet. See you in the next episode of Green Voice. Goodbye.
Goodbye,
Bye
everyone.
Goodbye,
everyone.
everyone. Se. Tak delok.
Ya aku.
Bro, kose kon, Bill.
Ya tapi kan bahas. Tuh,
Rolling kan.
tuh,